Chicken fingers are a high demand in the family. It's also suitable as a snack for children's party or even for a quick dinner. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 850 grams or 2 pieces of chicken breast meat with the skin on, washed and clean, 60 grams or half a cup of gogi tempura flour, and this is what it looks like. 1.5 tablespoons of paprika powder. If cooking for children, these ingredients can be omitted. 1.5 tablespoons of garlic powder, half teaspoon of 5-spice powder, half teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I will be using oil for deep frying. Start with mixing all the seasoning and the spices. Add in all salt in the mixing bowl, 5-spice powder, pepper, paprika powder, and garlic powder. Give it a mix until well combined. Alright, the powder mix is ready. Leave it aside. Next, cut the chicken breast meat. I will cook the chicken with the skin on for a flavor and crispy texture. So I am cutting each piece of chicken into thin and long strips with the skin intact like this. Alright, continue to cut until completed these 2 pieces of chicken breast meat. This is the chicken that I have cut. Next, marinate the chicken. Sprinkle the seasoning mix powder on the chicken. Rub and marinate it. Ensure that the chicken is well marinated, coated with the seasoning mixture. Alright, this is ready. Cover it with the cling wrap and leave it to marinate in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. If you don't have time, 15 minutes of marinating the chicken will be fine as well. After 2 hours, prepare the hot oil, switch on the heat, add in the cooking oil for deep frying. The amount of oil should be enough to deep fry the chicken. For me, I am using 1 kilogram of cooking oil. Leave it for 10 minutes. While waiting for the oil, prepare the chicken for deep frying. Take the chicken out of the fridge. I am going to fry the chicken in 2 batches. So put half of the chicken on a separate tray. Alright, this should be enough for first batch. For this, we will cook it in the second batch. Next, sprinkle the tempura flour on the chicken. Just a thin layer of tempura flour coating will do. Turn the chicken and sprinkle the tempura flour on the other side. Alright, the chicken is well coated with tempura flour. Put the chicken in the hot oil piece by piece. Fry the chicken for 12 minutes or until golden brown. In between, we need to come and turn the chicken to be evenly cooked. Okay, after 12 minutes, the chicken is cooked and has turned into a beautiful golden brown. Take it out from the oil and put it in the strainer to allow the excess oil to drip off. Wow, the fried chicken looks so good. Rest it here on the cooling rack. Next, repeat the step. Coat the chicken with the tempura flour. Add it into the oil and fry it. For the second batch, I will fry it for 14 minutes as this batch has more chicken. And we need a slightly longer time for all pieces of chicken to be cooked and golden brown. Alright, the chicken now is cooked. Remove it from the oil. Wow, it looks so good. Put all of the chicken together on the cooling rack. Now dish it out and serve. Let's eat. Wow, the chicken skin and the chicken fingers are very crispy, tasty and very delicious. So good. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.